Hi friends, welcome to Sir Control LDC classes. Railway abbreviations essential for all LDC exams. BFR bogie flat for rail vacuum brake. BFK bogie flat container car. BRH bogie flat for rail roller bearings. BRN bogie flat for rail air brake. BRNA bogie rail truck air. BRNAHS bogie rail truck air high speed. BKH bogie open hopper wagon side discharge. BFU bogie well wagon. BOXR bogie open with screw coupling. BOXC bogie open with CBC coupling. BOXT bogie open with transitional coupling. BOXN bogie open for coal with air brake and CBC. BOST bogie open for steel with air brake and CVC. BOXMN1 bogie open air brake lightweight modified one. BOXNR bogie open wagon air brake rehabilitation. BOXNHA bogie open with air brake high axle load. BOXNHS bogie open with air brake high speed CBC. BOXNHSM1 bogie open air brake high speed modified one. BOXNAL bogie open with air brake aluminum body. BOXNEL bogie open with air brake loaded. BOBYN bogie open hopper wagon bottom discharge. BCXR bogie wagon covered with screw coupling. BCXC bogie wagon covered with CBC coupling. BCXT bogie wagon covered with transitional coupling. BCN bogie wagon covered with air brake and CBC. BCNA bogie wagon covered arrangement for improved. NMG newly modified goods. TP tank for petroleum. TK tank for kerosene. TG tank for LPG. TW tank for water. BTPN bogie tank wagon for petrol air brake. BT PGL bogie tank wagon for LPG vacuum brake. BT PGLN bogie tank wagon for LPG air brake. BCGT brake van goods with transitional coupling. BVGC brake van goods with CBC coupling 4-wheeler air brake. VVZI brake van goods with CBC coupling and 8-wheeler air brake. FRED flashing rear end device. FC first class. CZ chair car. AC air conditioned. LCVD last vehicle check device. SCOR section controller. CN 3 tire slipper. CW 2 tire slipper. CL bar CB kitchen pantry car. VP van parcel. VPR van parcel refrigerator. VPH van parcel high capacity. VPU motor parcel van. VVM bogie milk van. PP full postal unit. PPH half postal unit. BCM blast clearing machine. GS self generated second class. WGS vestibule second class ordinary. WCB vestibule pantry car. WFC vestibule first class. WFCZ vestibule first class chair car. WGSCZ vestibule self generated second class chair car. WGSCZAC vestibule self generated second class AC chair car. WGACCN vestibule self generated AC 3 tire. WGACCW vestibule self generated AC 2 tire. WGFCWAC vestibule self generated first class AC. WCSCNLR vestibule self generated second class 3 tire sleeper luggage. SLR second class luggage cum brake van. SLRD second class luggage brake van and disabled. SYLR second class ladies luggage and brakeman. LHB Link Hoffmann Buchage German manufacturer. LWFAC AC first class coach LHB. LWACCW AC 2 tire sleeper coach LHB. LWACCN AC 3 tire sleeper coach LHB. LWCBAC AC hot buffer car LHB. LWCB non AC hot buffer car LHB. LWLRRM brake luggage cum generator car LHB. LGS second class coach LHB. LWSCN non AC 3 tire sleeper coach LHB. LGSLR second class cum luggage and brakeman LHB. LWFC ZAC AC executive chair car LHB. LWSC ZAC AC chair car LHB. LRZAC EOG AC track recording car LHB variant coach. LRDAC track recording staff car LHB variant coach. LWOGCARAC EOG AC data acquisition and analysis car. RA inspection carriage administration. RB inspection carriage divisional officer. RM railway motor van. RH railway hospital van. RZ track recorder car. Y prefixed suburban stock. SG self generating. EOG end on generator. HOG head on generator. EOTT end on train telemetry. NTKM net ton kilometer. GTKM gross ton kilometer. DTTC divisional transportation training center. MDZTI multidisciplinary zonal training institute. MDDTI multidisciplinary divisional training institute. CRB chairman railway board. CCRS chief commissioner of railway safety. Here in this video or class we will memorize 100 railway abbreviation which is essential for station master promotional quota and other also LDC exam. Thank you.